Hi everyone, welcome back. It's a first alert weather day for our Thursday evening and then again tomorrow for additional strong to severe thunderstorm potential. Here's what we're looking at for tonight. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch in place for some of our South Dakota counties and southeastern North Dakota counties. This watch in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. We are still watching for the potential for an isolated tornado or two to develop over the next hour or so in the early onset of some of these thunderstorms. In addition, large hail up to ping pong ball size is possible. And then later this evening, we'll see our storm mode evolve into a straight line wind threat. So gusts up to 70 miles per hour will be possible later tonight. Here's what we're looking at right now. Some good old-fashioned rain, much needed rain across parts of northern Minnesota. This continuing to move to the east-northeast, but it's down in southeastern North Dakota that we're watching the storms. Here's a closer look at the rain up in northern Minnesota. Thief River Falls. Liz, you called in a little while ago saying you had some decent rain there. You got a break for now, but more rain is headed your way. Roseau, Warroad, Baudette, all the way down towards Keller and east of you in Bemidji, seeing some rain showers. Severe weather not expected for you. But places like Lidgerwood up through just to the west of Colfax, no longer a severe thunderstorm warning, but a line of some stronger storms moving in. The environment is a little bit more favorable for non-severe storms here in the far southern valley. So moving into a little bit more stable environment, though some brief gusty winds still possible. It's back to the south and west that we have a more unstable environment that we're watching for additional storms to develop. Additionally, taking a look at the velocity, this is a look at the spin in the atmosphere, kind of like an X-ray looking into the thunderstorms, where you see some of the greens and reds coming together. That's where we're seeing some broad rotation. We're not seeing that tight spin in the atmosphere, not any tornado signs now. That risk is quite low, but we'll continue to keep an eye on that for you for the rest of tonight. Here's what you can expect. Over the next couple of hours, our storms become more linear as they move right through the south central valley from around the FM area down into Hankinson and the North Dakota, South Dakota border. And as they become more linear, again, that's when the threat evolves to more of a straight line damaging wind threat. Meanwhile, again, across northern Minnesota, just some rain. Storms continue to move through Lakes Country as we head throughout this evening. So by 9-10 o'clock. By midnight, storms exit off to the east, though we still may see some remnant shower and thunder shower activity. That severe risk diminishes after about 11 p.m. A brief break before, by daybreak, additional thunderstorms developing up towards Harvey, Devil's Lake. These move into the Red River Valley by daybreak tomorrow. So be sure to tune in to Lisa Green on the Valley today, tomorrow morning for the latest on the morning storm chance. The afternoon is where we have our next chance of isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, primarily in northwestern Minnesota. Ping pong ball size hail and gusts up to 60 miles per hour are going to be the threats for tomorrow afternoon. Will be pretty quiet across eastern North Dakota. But here's a look at the severe risk for tomorrow from the Storm Prediction Center. Again, the greatest risk is going to be to the east with large hail and damaging wind threats. Unlikely that we'll see any tornado development for tomorrow. Some beneficial rain. We haven't had any drought-busting rains recently, and in fact, our drought has expanded in some areas. You can find the latest drought update on your Valley News Live weather app right now. But some areas by tomorrow night, an inch or two of nice rainfall. Temperatures now in the 60s and 70s. Tomorrow, about the same, a couple warming up into the low 80s. Again, first alert weather day again tomorrow, Stacy, and then more rain and additional areas of thunder on Sunday.
A lot to watch for.
Yeah, but Saturday looks nice.
Yeah, there we go. At least we got one. Thanks, Summer.